The 2008 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra-large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, CD changer, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, bucket seats, MP3 player, passenger airbag, child safety locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.